Alright, shout out to Mark. Thank you very much for having us. And playing three strokes.
There it is.
Sobrang easy swing naman, Mark.
And because of that, all of us get mulligans. No, just kidding.
All right, well, enjoy your round, everyone. Once again, welcome.
Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, super huge shout out to Three Strokes for making this video happen. So we were invited to play their tournament, the 3 amateurs versus 1 pro here in Midlands, Tagaytay Midlands, happening this April. So this tournament, very unique concept. So thank you very much again, Three Strokes. If you're looking for apparels, golf equipment, golf bags, so you can find the description down below, the link for their website. So very good local brand for golf. So the format is very unique. 3 amateurs versus 1 pro. So basically it's going to be different classes also. There's class A, B, C, and also the sponsored. So nasama tayo sa class A, pero not expecting anything naman, just to have fun. So we're starting the tournament here sa Lucky 9, sa 7th hole. This is the first time that I'm playing this golf course. Tapos, ayan, Mr. Three Strokes himself, Mr. Mark Ronquillo. Brother, thank you very much for having us.
Thank you so much.
Anything you want to say to the vlog?
I just want to thank, syempre, our influencers today, Luigi and Malvin.
Yeah, kasama natin si ka-followers.
And then, sana maging successful tong tournament na to. Of course!
It is already. Thank you very much, brother, for having us.
Of course.
So, yan.
Pro natin, ha? Baka makita.
Oh, si Coach Dino.
Anino?
Yan ang tatalo sa amin. Coach, welcome to the vlog. Nice meeting you. Ayan. So we're playing here sa Lucky 9, hole number 7. So, you wanna invite them sa next na kagad, brother?
Okay. So we'll be having a next, pero this year. I won't announce it.
Okay,
Pero
sige,
we'll
perfect.
be having one this year pa. Wow.
Oh, nice. Tapos if they're looking for mga apparels or anything that for Three Strokes.
Visit our website in www.threestrokes.ph.
Alright, perfect. Again, thank you very much, brother. Ang dami rin mga hole-in-one and sponsors.
All holes, may hole-in-one tayo.
Congratulations in advance and thank you for having us.
Pa dyan, cherry.
Oo nga, nakita ko. Isasama natin yan later.
Tapos mga raffle mamaya, sobra natin dami.
Ayan. So guys, inviting everyone sa next na tournament. So this is the first na 3 strokes tournament na 3 amateurs versus 1 pro. Very unique concept. So again, we'll just enjoy. See you at the fairways. Nice shot. Oh, shoutout na rin pala natin ang mga caddy. Sino ang caddy ni?
Mga anak ko yan.
Ni Malvin.
Yes.
Oh, pakilala ka na ate.
Hi po, good morning. I'm Marjorie. Kadi po ako ni Sir Malvin Castro.
Hashtag.
Followers.
Yan. Sino ang caddy ni Mark? Ay, pakilala ka na rin.
Good morning po. I'm Tintin. Kadi po ni Sir Mark.
Nag-concert ka kagabi ha?
Opo, sir.
And si kay Coach Dino.
Hello po. Ako po si Leonie. Kadi number 12. Ang kadi ni
Ay.
Coach Dino Villanueva.
Ayan. Saan ka namin pwede ma-support, Coach, sa mga competition mo?
PGT.ph.
Ayan. So support natin si Coach Dino. Touring Pro. Alright. Okay, starting the round. First time to play against a pro. So, ang match namin dito, it's stroke play. Less our handicap. So gross, net pala, net score. So ganda. Okay, so the format for class A, ayan, meron kami mga handicap. So si Mark is playing a 6 handicap. Si Malvin is at, ano ka, 12? 13? 12. Ako 8.
Okay po.
Nice shot.
Oh, parang pro din ah.
Parang pro ah. Grabe.
The nerves. Thank you. Pick right. Coach, good luck.
Thank you, sir. Good luck.
Good luck, good luck. Mark, thank you very much and good luck, brother. Brother, good luck. Good luck sa atin. Good luck sa mga bola.
Igel.
Okay, shout out din pala sa aking caddy, si
Sir,
Pakilala.
Patricia po.
May shout out ka ba, Patricia?
Shout out lang po sa mga golfers dyan. Galingan nyo lang. Mahirap ang golf.
Oo nga, totoo. Ito pa lang, itsura pa lang na itong Lucky 9 na mahirap eh. Okay, super heated. First time playing this 9 holes in the Midlands. So the green is in this area sa left side, 200 plus. This is a par 5. So subukan lang course management. Mga palong 150 yards dito. Si coach is nandito sa gitna. Si Malvin took his drop. Tapos si Mark pumalo na rin dito. Okay.
Nice shot.
Okay, fairway. Good shot. Okay, Coach Dino might be going for it.
Oy! Shortcut ba yan, coach?
Parang pro ano?
Oo, parang pro yung tumira na yun ah.
Ako naman, I'm left with 92 yards to the flag to go up and down for potentially birdie for my third shot. With the wind. So tirang mga 80. Kaliwa no?
Back. Sobra yun.
Patong ba, Mark? Okay, patong. Okay, Malvin. Punching out. Ayan, lumabas sa bunker. Okay, Coach Dino. To go up and down for birdie. Okay. That is his birdie putt. Okay, Mark. Bunker shot ulit. Good out, Mark. Right. Settle. Bogey pa rin, no? That's good. Ay, wala bang good? Tama na. Bilis. Okay, for birdie. Left to right. Ay, nawala yung linya ate.
Birdie!
Uy, sayang. Ay, par.
Okay, Coach Dino for birdie.
Go.
Pakimark, Coach.
Nice par.
Good par. Okay, hole number 8 ng Lucky 9. From the blue tees, it's 341 yards. So, the aim is, the play is to aim for the bunker sa left side. I mean, left side of that bunker sa middle, or in between those bunkers sa left. Okay, Coach Dino. Ganda, gitnang gitna. Nice shot, Coach. Wow. Wow.
Dapat pakanan ka.
Ganda. Kaliwa lang. 4, ate! Baba.
Uy, kanan.
Safe naman.
This is hole number 8. Yan, buti safe kami dalawa ni Mark. Barely made it safe. Mark, second shot. Kaliwa lang. Parang GUR naman yata yung bunker ngayon. This is what I'm looking at. Around 91 yards. Hindi naman against? Okay. Tirang mga 80.
Parang hindi naman siguro.
I have this chip to go up and down for par. Left to right. Medyo mabilis.
Kalating pin, sir, sa kaliwa. Okay.
Okay, I have that for par. Coach, nag-pin out na. This is to go up and down for his Bogey. Wala, pasok pa rin.
Grabe naman.
Nice bogey, coach.
Galit. Uy, tumigil.
Okay, Malvin for birdie. Golden P. Birdie! Ay, sayang.
Nice.
Nice par.
Mahina.
Wala talagang tulog to.
Okay, hole number 9. 192 yards. Look at that tee marker. For sale din ba to, Mark? Bibili na kami ni Malbs eh. Lalagay daw niya sa trophy table niya. Di ba? Pwede mo ilagay sa trophy table mo, Mark. Hole number 9 of Lucky 9. It's playing 175 yards to the flag. Downwind. Special fun hole. Cherry. Hole in one car. Ganda. Ganda, Malbs. Kumaliwa lang.
Safe.
Kick right.
Lakas.
Sobra.
Lakas pa din. Nice
Straight.
one.
Cut! Cut! Ayun na.
Uy. Cut. Right.
Without. Very difficult chip. Laki ng right to left. Tapos downhill. So, Malvin and coach just outside of the green for their birdie to go up and down for par. Ganda, Malbs! Good try, brother. Okay, di nang bagsak. Tama na. Kulang sa kanan. Tsaka matulis, hindi ako. Natatakot ako matsukoy eh. Okay, that is for my par. Okay, Coach Dino. For birdie. Galing. Birdie.
Wala talaga, brother.
Oh. Okay, I have this putt for par to stay even par left to right. +1 lang ate, no?
Diretso nung
Hindi bumali, no? Okay, Coach Dino for par. Come on, Malbs. Ikaw ang pag-asa ng bayan.
Pabigay mo kasi.
Eh di, tabingin mo rin yung pag-putt. Good par, brother. Never a doubt. Good putt, brother. Good par.
Pa rin, no?
Okay, so sa amin, second 9, although we're not done yet with the lucky 9. First 3 holes was in lucky 9. Tapos pupunta naman kayo sa regular Midlands na hole number 1 to 9. Tapos we'll finish the round sa lucky 9. Hole number 1 to 6. So, Midlands 424 yards. So the play is aim for that bunker dyan sa left. Ay, sa right pala. Ganda. Oh, layo. Ganun din, sinundan mo si coach.
Uy, uy, uy.
Layo. Hindi, tawid yan. Clear yun. Ay, sumabit. Ganda, perfect draw.
Kanan.
Hindi, perfect yan.
Ha?
Nag-draw eh.
Yun, dumiretso sir.
Nag-draw, brother.
Diretso. Fairway.
Uy.
Manter. Oh, baba eh. Still can't hit my driver. Grabe. Ang baba. Tapos pa-slice. I'm left with 195 yards for my second shot. Sila Mark nandun. Si Coach nandun. Si Malvin nandun din sa gitna. Sais. Ayan.
Ako. Parang bunker nga eh, sir.
Kulang pa sa kaliwa. Alam ko naman kakana. Okay, bunker right. Bunker routes. Okay, Malvin. Mga around 180 yards to the flag for a second shot. Tama na. Okay, Coach Dino, second shot. Grabe. Left with 60 yards. To go up and down for his birdie. Nice shot, Coach. Okay. 20 yards left to right for my third shot. Hit the pin.
Oh!
Tignan na tumama. Ang lakas. Ang tigas na ano. Okay, buti tumama. Kaya nga eh. Kaya nga eh. Inside. Uy. Alam mo bakit? Give chance to others. Ibigay mo na yung tournament mo. Good. Okay, Malvin 4 par.
Tumalon.
Oo.
Take.
Okay, hole number 2, par 5. Very long par 5, especially for Coach. Almost 600 yards. So, aim is, yan, where the golf cart is. Taxi! Wow.
Fuck.
Ganda talaga oh.
That's to miss.
Ang aim ko nga dun sa puno sa kaliwa eh. Nasa kanan na naman.
Maganda yan, maganda.
Dun. Basta tumama, maayos. Okay, went almost dun sa may bunker. Layo. So Mark, that's the Mr. Ronquillo I know. Good drive, brother. Yun oh, gitnang gitna.
Nice one, Malvin. Idol. Mr. Malvin Castro.
Okay, wala naman trouble. So I'm left with 230 yards. Hitting a 4 iron. Playing it. Hopefully if it hits it will. Playing it short.
Okay.
Kabig ano pag ano?
Opo.
Pulled it. Buti na lang sobrang luwag ng green. Ano fairway. Andito ako. Andun yung green. Pulled it super bad. What a monster drive by Mark. Ilan pa natitira sa inyo ate? 210 na lang. Going for it. Ganda Mark. Ayan na, sinasabi kong eagle. Albatros mo na. Patong brother, dikit. Nice shot. Yan na ang Mr. Ronquillo yung kilala ko. Grabe, si Mark at saka si Coach putting for eagle. Pero si Mark, yan, dikit oh. That's for his eagle putt. Ako naman landed left. Left with 65 yards. Left right. I will try to nip a 60-degree wedge na shot. Around 55 shot, 50 yard shot.
Go.
Okay, Malvin. Took up and down for par. Parehas kami. Sige, pagkatapos. Hina. Okay, 20 yards left to right. Left to right, ano?
Yes, sir.
May kabagalan.
Mabilis ang bali.
Gulong sa laki pag sa kaliwa nun. Coach Dino putting for eagle. Si Mark din putting for eagle. Ako putting for par. Si Malvin is putting for bogey. Uy, ang bilis. Okay, Mr. Ronquillo for eagle. Never short! Sayang. Sayang.
Take. Kuha ni Coach yan.
Okay, Coach Dino for birdie. Nahina din. Ganon din! Aray ko po. Okay, hole number 3. Playing 180 yards daw kasi sa
Apat double ko.
dahil sa hole in one. Okay, this is a fun hole. Thank you very much, Mark. 3 strokes. 100,000 to. Tama ba, Mark? 100,000? Okay. Ganda. Sa amin mo i-donate yung prizes. Basta tawid.
Basta tawid.
Ganda rin.
Parang long to Coach ah.
Wow. Nice shot. Nice shot, Coach.
Parang long yan bro. Ang tapang eh.
Out.
Go! Go! Birdie!
Birdie!
Patay yung birdie. Okay, Mark bunker ulit. Sayang, I went over daw. Bite. Okay, for par. Unfortunately, dito ako nag-carry. Gumulong palabas. Bad trip. Sayang. This is to go up and down for bogey. Right to left. Ate. Right to left, ano? Thank you. Okay, I have that putt for bogey. Hina. Okay, Coach Dino for birdie. Ganda. Nice bird. Nice birdie. Sa dulo. Good putt, Mark. Wow. Wow. Parang against the wind. Oh yun, umabot.
Grabe Coach, sobrang sakto.
What a shot. Grabe.
Coach, sobrang aggressive din.
Grabe yun.
Alam mo,
Talagang dulong-dulong.
Parang yung bato eh.
Oo. Grabe. Dahil humangin din eh.
Coach, para ato yung free, ato yung dulo, hindi pa ka nag-carry. Oh, continue.
Nakita mo ba, Coach? Nakita mo yung bagsak? Grabe. Ay, tawid na tawid yan. Nice shot, Mark.
Kanan lang. Takot sa kaliwa.
Ganyan, layo. Nice shot, Malves.
Tumawid ka.
Tawid yan? Ito, mama.
Good shot.
Walang yan, talagang super safe ah.
Go.
Tinalo mo pa yung tito shot ah.
Natatakot ako baka mag-slide. Basta Inisip ko na patamain. Okay, fairway. Happy. Okay, Mark. Second shot. Left with 135 yards. To go up and down for birdie. Ganda. Oh, short pa pala. Oo. Okay, left with 133 yards to the flag. Hitting a pitching wedge. Hindi nag-draw.
Draw.
Natakot sa tubig.
Draw sa dulo.
Doon talaga ako naka-aim.
Matabi tayo.
Okay, magkatabi kami ni Mark sa kanan. Coach. Less than 130 na lang to. Oh, short din. Okay, Malvin to go up and down for par. Malambot. Dapat sa green na yung bagsak. Okay, right to left. 15 yards.
Bye.
Yun na maganda. Birdie mo, baby. Nice one, Mark. Okay, coach. For birdie. I have this putt for par. 8 paces. Left to right. Oh, yung bilis. Tama ka sa -3.
Yun, oh.
Coach for par. Good putt, coach. Okay, Mark for par. Nice par, Mark.
From south side. Ah, yun.
Nanakot pa, nanakot pa. Nasa iyo, amit. Okay, hole number 5 na to, no? Okay, fun hole. Hole in 1. A golf cart, 175 against the wind. Hindi ka pwede mag-over na. Grabe, ang dikit na dikit. Shoot pa niya. Ibang pa. Ba't ka nagsi-fade? Hindi, wala. Fade. Over the top. In the bunker. Nag-fade. Balik. Ganda. Pin out nga. Golf cart. Golf cart. Ay, sobra.
Grabe ang lakas.
Sobrang. Hey, Mark, everyone still outside. Si Mark left. Short. Ah, middle pala, short. Kami dalawa ni coach na sa bunker. Ganda naman ng bite. Nice one, Mark. Okay, little green to work with. 17 yards to the flag. Left to right ba? Right to left? Right.
Right po.
Right to left. Masyadong gusto idikit. Sigurado. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, I have that for bogey na naman. Okay, coach to go up and down for par. Ganun lang.
Sarap ng tunog, yun.
Oo. Nice shot, coach. Kabig.
Wala talaga.
Ay, balik. Okay, coach for par. Good putt, coach. Okay, Mark for par.
Sa face ko.
Okay. Hole number 6. Par 5. 539 yards. Ganda. Grabe yung ball flight. Kaliwa lang. Layo.
Please, ka pa. Please.
Alright.
Okay lang.
Ay, nako. Okay, very spinny ang aking tee shot. Left with 230 yards to the flag. Pero course management na lang. Aim dito. Middle. Make it a 3-shot goal.
Wow, good shot. Go. Go. Go.
Baba, baka pumatong pa pala.
Oh.
Pwede pa lang sa is. Kinuha ko yung course management ko lang dun sa may ano eh. Sa mga 170. Halos in front of the green. Yata, mukha lang. Pero hindi naman siguro short yun. Okay, Malvin. Left off the fairway. Silang tatlo. Ako lang ang nag-slice. Okay, Coach Dino. Going for it. Lakas ng with the wind. Ilan natira sa'yo, Mark? Okay, Mark left with 187 yards. Kuha niya dapat yung longest drive eh. Rough daw yan. Kaliwala. Okay. Grabe, I don't know kung paano ako pumatong. Well, alam ko dahil sobrang with the wind. Pumatong, patting for eagle pa. Lahat wala nag 6 iron lang. So, Mark, lahat kami around the green. Everyone has a chance for eagle. Hopefully easy birdie na sa group. Okay, Coach Dino to go up and down for birdie. Right. Malvin putting for eagle. Ang bilis na nga dun. Eagle, baby! Kun Malvs. For eagle, 20 plus paces pero aakit ko lang dapat dito. Kung ano, basta ako nilinya mo, 14.
Go. Ay, no.
Walang ka-chance. Coach for birdie. Uy, sayang. Okay. Lakas naman.
Oh my God.
Mark for birdie. Huwag naman po. Nice bird, brother. Good birdie. Okay, hole number 7, 335. Okay, play is straight up lang naman to. Ganda. Nice shot, coach. Huli.
Shit.
Labas.
Balik.
Ganda. Tito shot.
Dito shot. Okay.
I'll take that. Good shot, brother.
Uy! Lusot. Oh my God, kumik sa right.
Hindi talaga kami magkasundo nung driver ko ngayon. Thank you, brother. Sliced my tee shot. 135 yards to the flag. Taking my medicine. Sana kaya ma-punch out to.
Okay. Go. Nice out.
Previous hole, I made par. Panamin dalawa ni coach. Tapos si Mark. Tsaka si Malvin made birdie. Come on. Okay, Coach Dino to go up and down for birdie. Nice shot. Okay, Malvin to go up and down for par. Good try, Malvs. To go up and down for par, 40 yards to the flag. Tirang 30. Right to left, ano?
Opo, yung kaliwa ng bola ni coach.
Okay, Malvin for par. Kuha. Uy, laki ng binali. Kay Coach Dino for birdie.
Balik! Kulay.
Okay.
Nakuha yung linya. Ganun din. Oh my shit.
Good par.
Putang.
Wala nang routine. Okay, hole number 8. Super narrow fairway. Draw. Mag-gold din na rin daw si Malvin, oh.
Wow, good shot.
Stop drawing. Stop drawing. Kick right.
Okay lang, doon
Okay lang, oo, okay lang yun. Ganda, Malves.
Wow!
Uy, up! Patay ka.
Yun, okay, safe. Left of the ano.
Nice!
Nice one, brother. Okay, left with 180 plus yards to the flag. With the wind. Hitting 7 iron. Feeling ko short to.
Go, up. Okay, nice one.
Patting birdie. Ganda. Good shot, coach. Okay, Mark. Second shot. Ay, sumabit. Okay. Mark and Malvin to go up and down for par. Roughly 20 yards. Ano speed mo dito, Pat?
Kabagal po po.
Ganda. Kaliwa, no? Okay, Coach Dino for birdie. Downhill. Reach. Abot! Abot! Lakas loob. Atapang atao. Nice putt. Okay, for par. Okay, so nag-par kaming tatlo ni Malvin at saka ni Coach. Si
Nakabuli na naman eh.
Mark nag-bogey.
Palakit na nun, nimikot ko yung card.
Oo. Okay, hole number 9, 393. Okay, so this hole, the play is aim for those. Di ba ang aim natin yung mga coconut, di ba? Nyog sa kanan. Okay. Ganda. Ganda ng ball flight. Follow mo na rin ako, coach. Nice shot. Kaliwa lang. Kaliwa.
Wala, brother. Ano ka talaga ngayon?
Stop na. Stop.
Baba lang.
Ay, ate Marge.
Arch na sa'yo ba? Ano, behind?
Ano nangyayari sa akin?
Okay, coach. 200 yards. Right to left wind. Going for it. Ganda.
Go! Overpat, coach. Lakas.
Okay lang to.
De, parang patong.
Hindi, patok yun.
This is what I'm looking at. 200 yards also. Need to go over the trees. Or well, the tree. Yan, dito yung angle. Because if it draws, good. If not, okay lang.
Oh, pasok.
Okay, 3 points. Oo, meron pa. Okay, Malvin. 100 yards. Inisip ko, dapat nag-course management na lang ako. Layo pa eh. Nakita ko kasi pumatong sa coach. Feeling ko kaya ko. Okay, short. Malvin. Okay, butin lang safe. Nakita. 44 yards to the flag. Right to left. Dito mo na lang video.
Nice out.
Okay, masaya na tayo dyan. Masaya na tayo dyan. Chance for par. Okay, at least hindi nalaglag. 40 yards.
Go!
Okay. I'm putting for par. 18 paces right to left.
In.
Medyo na bomba. Eh, magaling na estudyante. Nice spot, brother.
Naturuan, no? Nice spot.
Tumalon.
Oh!
Tumalon eh. May tumalon. Hindi umabot.
Hala, lumaylay din.
Dude, 1 cup.
Kulang na kulang pa din.
Nakita mo rin sa akin eh.
Dinagdagan namin left inside yun eh. Nung una, tapos dinagdagan namin. No, dapat nga isang cup pa.
Tingnan mo, aga
Well, we are done with the Midlands Golf Course. So we're back to Lucky 9. So sa Lucky 9, yan, we're finishing our 18 holes. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last 6 holes. Hole 1, 278 yard par 4. Pero course management ko nun to. If I'm not mistaken, I'm around 10 over na siguro. So the green is over those bunkers, behind those bunkers. Pero ako siguro dito na lang. Ang liit ng green. Siguro palong 7 iron lang. Okay, Coach Dino going for it. 270 yards to the flag. Going for it with his 7 iron. 7 at 3 wood. Kaya naman pala go for it. Left of the flag lang. Mukhang patong. Saan, Coach?
Bunker.
Palok mo friends tayo. Hindi, uwi.
Pinato mo?
Subok nga akong course management eh. Yan ang pwede.
Ay, na-short ako. Nabiyahin na konti.
Parang patong pa rin yata.
Patong pa rin.
Around the green. Huge shout out. Let's golf pare. Shout out ka ba, brother?
Ha?
Any shout outs?
Wala naman.
Ayan, welcome
Ay,
back.
wala.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Sana makalaro.
Oo nga, soon. Laro tayo soon.
Oo.
Pagkasama ka dapat break 55. Front line. Kabiglang.
Kanan nga.
Kala nagsimula. Okay lang. Gitna ng fairway. This is what I'm looking at. No green to work with. 55 yards to the flag. Ayan ako. Okay.
Banda yan.
Okay, maganda daw. Sabi nila maganda. Let's see for birdie. Okay, buti nag-carry. Okay. Batting for birdie. Okay. So si coach almost drove the green. Linya pa na pang hole in one. So si Mark is to go up and down for par. Bite, ganda na spin. Kulang lang. Good try, coach.
Wala siyang shot eh.
Wala stance eh, no?
Last chance eh.
Nice.
Nice par!
Nice.
Nice one! Dapat may tip din ang hat.
Dapat gaganon.
Yeah! Nice par, brother.
Birdie.
Nice bird.
Nice birdie.
Good course management. Hey, coach for birdie again. Kuha din?
Kulang.
Ay! Aray ko.
Wala talaga.
Okay na. Finally, a birdie. So si Malvin made double. Si Mark made par. Ako made birdie. Si coach made par. So this is a very long par 5. 570 yards. So dog leg ride daw. So aim is, I guess that one. Over this bunker. Wow. Tiger line. Ganda rin. Layo. Pwede na. Coach, may kamatch ka na.
Hindi, malayo kay coach.
Ha?
Low pero.
Wow, good shot. Layo.
Kalat lang.
Mabot kaya.
Nasa Tagaytay lang yan. Subok lang course management aiming for that middle bunker which is 200 yards. Hitting 7 iron.
Nice
Nice
job.
shot.
That's perfect.
Oh.
Timo.
Tapos 4 putts ulit! Ang layo ng mga drive pero ano. Mark second shot. Going for it. Nasa midlands lang yan. Safe daw, Mark.
Safe, safe. Uy, shit, sumabit.
Pende, wala. Hindi apektado masyado yun. Nasa midlands lang din yun.
Safe.
Okay, what a difficult third shot. 75 yards with the wind. Right to left. Diretso ko na lang.
Bye. Wow.
Okay, for birdie ulit. Come on, Luigi. Pabi ka dito. Okay, coach and Mark. This is their third shot. To go up and down for birdie. Wow! Ang lupet! Pasok, Eagle! What a shot! Grabe! Sarap panoorin! Ginaya! Good shot, Mark.
Hanggang labas lang ako eh.
Okay lang yun, brother. Reach! Abot! Yun! Good try, Malves. Par nga! Ay, umabot! Reach! Ah, bagal.
No.
Grabe.
Okay, hole 3 of Lucky 9. 136 from the blue tees. It is a fun hole. 3 strokes, baby! Thank you very much for coach. 160 plus yards. Ano distance mo, coach?
Makapalong
180. Ganda. Hole in one. Left of the green. Left of the flag. Nice shot, Mark. Kaliwa lang.
All in one.
All in one.
All in one. Wow!
Ganda rin! Okay, Malvin had to take a drop. This is the cup and down first goal. Ganda. Down.
Ay, sos, ang lakas.
Offline lang.
Okay, Coach Tino. Sana nga ma-shoot naman to. Coach for birdie from the outside.
Pangilan.
Una, pangalawa pa lang kung sakali.
Oh, nice! Suk mo na!
Sayang. Hit. Okay, for birdie. Sana.
Ali sa to.
Okay, hole number 4. Sayang naman yung missed opportunity na yan. 490. Nakulang ako sa firm. So, the play is siguro right of that, the middle bunker. A little right of that. Wow, ang ganda ng draw.
Grabe.
Gitnang gita. On a string!
Grabe.
Wow, ang ganda nga. Draw na draw.
Babalik sa fairway.
Okay, before the bunker.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Balik. Oh
Balik.
no.
Nice kick. Ay!
Di bumalik din.
Di, may fairway doon sa likod.
Okay, left of the bunker. Left bunker ba? Ganda. Beautiful! Grabe naman. This is why sabi nila Lucky 9 is sobrang difficult. Look at how narrow it is. Tapos this is the second shot to a par 5. So yung second shot mo, ayan. So play safe anywhere from there downhill. Tapos the green nandito. Grabe. Parang play smart lang parati dapat. So I think my play would be ito dito, aiming for that bunker there. May Malvin second shot. 200 plus pa yan. Grabe. Hindi ko nakita. Ayun, safe. Safe si Malvin. To the flag is 200 yards. To the bunker is also 200 yards. I will aim na lang dito sa gitna. Mag-draw. If not, sana fairway.
Shot. Okay. Baba na. Okay.
Nag-fade pero walang happy pa rin. Nandito. Okay, coach. Going for it. He's left with 193 yards to go for it. Hinangin. Okay, Malvin. This is his third shot. Mga 80 yards to go up and down for his par. Ay, for his birdie. Ganda, Malvs! Good shot, brother! I'm left with 113 yards to the flag. Against the wind ba, Pat?
Opo.
Against 50 na?
Okay.
Hangin! Nawala hangin!
Nawala hangin.
Talaga? Over? Nawala yung hangin? Okay, coach. To go up and down for a birdie. Ayun, bad trip. Di ko alam na may bunker pala dun. Okay. Around 30 yards siguro si coach. Bite. Balik. Eh, 17 yards. Sabi ko better long than short. Meron palang bunker sa likod.
Perfect. Pasok mo na.
Inside.
Inside.
Hit.
Wow. Nice.
Wow.
Soft hands lang pala. Okay, that's for par. My coach for birdie. To go back to even par. Ay!
Sayang yun. 100.
Ay, mahina pa rin. Melvin for birdie. Nice bird, brother. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay, hole number 5. Last two holes namin. Sobrang against the wind. 164 yards. Fun hole again. Mark, again, congratulations sa tournament, brother. Thank you for having us.
Of course.
Enjoy, enjoy. Oh, ito maganda to. Vietnam Daily.
Actually, lahat ng hole.
Ganda na lahat ng
Part 3. May Vietnam.
May Vietnam tour. So, thank you, Mark. Thank you again. Watch out for the next invite ng 3 Strokes tournament. Yan. Papost na lang ni Mark yan sa sa social media. Stop drawing. Over. Ganda nga, yan na nga. Ayan na nga. Ako isasama mo sa Vietnam. Oh! Si Guinea Pig. Nice one, brother. Back to back birdie nga. Nice one, Mads. Isa pa to.
Uy, nice, nice.
Kaliwa lang. Left of the flag.
Grabe kayo pumalo, lakas nyo.
Nakita.
Kanan?
Safe.
Okay, second shot. Right of the green. Right of the fairway. 30 yards to the flag, pero tirang 18 lang. I need to carry it right in front of the fringe lang.
Right.
Sobrang kanan naman. Nice. Sobrang kanan. Okay, coach. To go up and down for his par. Galing. Okay, Mark. For birdie. Kailangan firm.
Parang wala.
For par. Nahina din. Mahina. Okay, hole number 6, last hole. 392. So aim is, I assume, middle of the fairway. Boom! Para sa'yo daw yan, Mark. Cut! Cut! Parang. Ayun, safe, safe, safe. Ganda! Nice shot! Okay, Malvin, second shot, left with 90 yards. To go and up and down for another birdie. Go, maganda yan. Gugulong yan. Gugulong yan. Sige pa. Ang lupet ni Mr. Castro! Woo! What a shot! 36 holes na, brother! Nice one! Okay, come on, Luigi. Left with 83 yards, pero with the wind. So right to left, hitting mga 70-yard shot. Uy!
Uy.
Ang lambot naman nun! Ano nangyari doon? Right. Okay, 57 yards. Ano nangyari kaya doon? Nagkastas malambot. 50 yards, right to left. Anong kiyari-yari doon? Malambot no? Parang pumasok lang bigla yung pamalo. Okay, I have that for par. For par. Kitang-kita yung spin. Okay, according to Mark, if coach makes this, he will tie the leaderboard. Pareha silang one over. lang. Sayang naman. Okay, this is for par.
Takot ako siya.
Hello? Diretso.
Amen, Mr. Castro.
Wala nang chance eh.
Oh,
Ata birdie.
ayaw na ibigay yung putter eh. Alam nang shoot daw eh. Mark, thank you very much, brother. Congratulations, congratulations. Video na. Coach, congratulations in advance. Thank you, thank you. Ayan si Malves. Malves, congratulations.
Wala pa.
Ito na, birdie. Ipatag mo, brother. May harang ka sa harap. Hindi pa.
Wala pa yan. Kaya pa yan. Hindi, kinakabahan si Malvin.
Si Golden Putter. Backshot. Papatay mo na rin yung break.
Laki pala ng break yun.
one flag, one flag. nagduda. Never short. Ay! Firm! Baka sa harap nga may harang. Malves, good round, brother. Play with. Oh, para ma-shoot. Coach, thank you. Mark, thank you very much ulit, brother. Thank you. Of course.
To our pros, thank you for sharing the game with our amateurs and helping grow the sport. We also introduced a different format today, and we hope na nag-enjoy kayo. And naging excited siya for everyone.
And we'll call on next first runner-up. Also, 2 over par today. 74 winner by count back. Even par on the last 9. Coach Dino Villanueva. Congrats.
Nice shot.